Hello friend! So far, we have looked into shares being paid by installments. We learned that a company would make a first, second, and final call for the amount due on an allotment to be paid. However, some shareholders may be unable to pay after the final call. For example, Cairo PLC issued out 35,000 ordinary shares at 1 naira each. It received 15,000 naira on the allotment of shares and was left with 20,000 naira yet to be received. After the first, second, and final call, a total of 17,000 naira had been paid to Cairo PLC, leaving the sum of 3,000 naira yet to be paid. This 3,000 naira is known as a call in arrears. Now, a call in arrears can be defined as the amount due by a shareholder to a company after the final call. So how would Cairo PLC account for the call in arrears of 3,000 naira? Do you recall that on the final call, a final call account was introduced? This account had the amount due at the moment, which was 20,000 naira on the debit side. Out of the 20,000 naira, 17,000 naira was paid by shareholders. This was debited to the bank account, and since it was because of the final call made, it was credited to the final call account. So we have 20,000 naira on the debit side and 17,000 naira on the credit side of the final call account. The balancing figure, which is also the call in arrears, would then be on which side? Great, it would be on the credit side of the final call account. So where would the debit entry be? Cairo PLC would open calls in arrears account and debit 3,000 naira to this account. Recall that a company like Cairo PLC issues shares to raise capital. Therefore, out of 35,000 naira, Cairo PLC was expecting to raise from the issue of shares. 3,000 naira was not paid to them. They need to account for this. Cairo would deduct it from the amount already recorded in the capital section of the balance sheet. So what happens to these shares worth 3,000 naira? This question would be answered in the next lesson. So let's take a quick summary. A call in arrears is the amount due to the company by the shareholders after the final call. A call in arrears reduces the capital anticipated by a company. A call in arrears is introduced after the final account has been made. A call in arrears is debited to the calls in arrears account and credited to the final call account. That's it for this lesson, my friend. Have a nice one. I'll be seeing you soon.